Pay attention to this question. Fill in 5 consecutive numbers to complete the equation. This plus this plus this plus this plus this gives us 55. And the question says there are 5 consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers like 22, 23, 24, 25. This is what is called consecutive numbers. All right. Now, this is 5 set of numbers giving 55, and we are told they are consecutive numbers. Let me show you how to find patterns. If you have something like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, this gives you what? 15. 1 plus 2 is 3, 6, 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Are you following? These are consecutive natural numbers. Observe something. The middle number is 3. Now, the relationship between the middle number 3 and the final answer 15 is 3 times 5. In other words, 15 over 5 gives you what? The middle number, which is 3. Pay attention. The final answer 15 over 5, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, gives you the middle number. That's an idea. So we are going to use this to apply here. This final number 55 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will give us the middle number. All right. 55 over 5 gives you what? 11. Therefore, 11 is the middle number. So, since this is 11, here we will now have what? 10. Here we have what? 9. After 11 is what? 12. After 12 is what? 13. Now, let's add. 9 plus 10 is 19. 19 plus 11 is 30, right? 30 plus 12 is 42. 42 plus 13 is 55. So, the set of numbers, consecutive number that gives 55 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If you found this video very interesting, kindly share it, and most importantly, keep learning. Bye for now. Find the next number in the pattern. Let me show you something. 5, 5, 10, 6, 6, 18, 7, 7, 28, 10, 10. What should be here? Let us know in the comment section. Follow for more.